Yo, what's up guys? This is Gorilla Bear Tag back at you again with another awesome product review. This time of a keyboard, guys. Now this keyboard is a special keyboard, okay? This keyboard is not your ordinary keyboard. The cord that comes on the back of it, or the cord that's attached to it, is a USB cord. Obviously you just plug it into your computer hard drive and the magic happens from there. It's not Bluetooth, guys. So unfortunately, no, it's not Bluetooth. I am aware of keyboards nowadays that are all Bluetooth. Some are made wirelessly, and that's amazing. I love that. It's the future with the new iPhones and everything that are coming out. No iPhone jacks and all that stuff. They're getting rid of all that and just basically going completely wireless. But this review is for those like myself and others that still like wired stuff, wired headphones, wired earbuds, you name it, guys, anything with the wire, okay? Now this one's no different. This is the Eeton, I believe that's how you pronounce it, the Eeton keyboard. I don't know the exact name of it, guys. Once again, I did Once again, I did take it out of my stash to review. This isn't my keyboard. This is actually my folks' keyboard. My mother and my father, I guess, used to use it. And I found it lying in the closet, so I decided to do a review on it. Now, it's special in the reason that basically it translates, okay? Now, if you look at the keys, obviously you see enter, you see some things in English. Obviously, everything's going to be in English. But the difference with this one, of course, it has the volume up, volume down, the volume mute button, stop, play, pause, the music, the emails, internet, home. Okay, it's just like your standard keyboard, but the difference with this keyboard, guys, is the simple fact that this keyboard can actually translate for you. Okay, when you punch in words in English, it can actually translate things to Arabic. Okay, now you can tell right here. Some may not know these are Arabic symbols, but they are. I do come from an Assyrian background. I am an Assyrian American, and I don't know much about Arabic. I don't speak Arabic. I can't translate it myself. I wasn't born in the Middle East. I'm an American citizen. And my folks actually use this keyboard from time to time, I guess, to send out emails to certain individuals, or just for the fun of it. I'm really not sure why they purchased this keyboard. It actually amazes me, and I'm thrown off by this technology because it's actually really cool. And like I said, once again, there's not much I know about it. I can't use it because of the simple fact that, I don't understand Arabic. But if I was to use it more often, I would get used to it. Now, I know this is a review, and I say it's a review. To some of you, that may not seem like a review because of the simple fact that I haven't really used it much. I have used keyboards, of course. I have computer experience. I've used desktop computers. I use a laptop from time to time, and I own a tablet. And everybody knows how a keyboard works. Okay, the functions of a keyboard are very basic, guys. Okay, keyboard, you just tap on it. You enter in your, you punch in your keys. Enter the words that you want. Whether you're writing an email to someone, or you're typing an essay, paragraph, a sentence, whatever you may be doing, a keyboard comes in handy, okay? A keyboard comes with all computers. Now, this is nothing different. This is awesome technology, and this is actually a translating keyboard. I don't know the exact model, but I'll flip it over for you guys. Once again, this isn't an unboxing. This is far from an unboxing, and this is more like a review. But then again, it's a review that I don't have much experience with because I've never really used this keyboard. But once again, guys, if you're interested in purchasing it, I'm showing it to you right now. It's called the Eeton, okay? Or the Eeton, however you would like to pronounce it. These are the indicator lights, by the way, guys, to the right-hand side. Okay? Now you get different symbols in Arabic that translate different things. They mean something, of course. They mean the letters. So basically A, has a symbol towards the bottom right hand side, just like the other ones, S, D, F, okay, such and such, you get the picture. I'm going to show you the back because I don't know the exact model, guys. I'm new to this. Never seen anything like this, but once again, it's really cool. Compatible keyboard, model ET808, okay? Is it 808 or is it 803? Hang on. No, it's 808, guys. Pause and read for yourselves, okay? Just tells you about what it complies with and, you know, all that other good stuff. It may be harmful, okay? Made in China, okay? It's got 2 stickers right here on the back. Quality pass, okay? Eeton sticker, okay? Letting you know it's real. It's authentic. This isn't a knockoff. This is nothing. It's just something to keep it up. Keep it postured up, I should say. That's the back, guys. Very basic. I don't know what else to say. My intentions were to make this review 4 minutes, but it ended up being over 6 minutes. So there you go, guys. That's about it, ladies and gentlemen. Really nice keyboard. Okay, basically has the functions of other keyboards. Same thing, just on a smaller scale. It's not a big keyboard. It's very small. So if you happen to have big hands like me or bigger hands or you just happen to be a really big guy, you have really thick fingers, I probably wouldn't recommend it for you, but at the same time, if you want to check it out, guys, go ahead, be my guest. It's a keyboard, and it looks like a wonderful keyboard. All right? You guys have a great day. This is Gorilla Bear Tech signing out until the next video, whether it's a review or unboxing. So stay tuned. You guys stay classy. Depending on where you're living, enjoy your morning, afternoon, or evening, okay? Stay safe, guys. I know there's been a lot going on in our country. I recently looked at the news, and there's been this stuff going on with Syria getting bombed by us, and all this chemical warfare and all this stuff, and Russia is getting involved now. And I pray and hope everything's okay. I pray to those young children, men and women that have lost their lives and some that have lost their limbs. It's very unfortunate, guys. The world we live in is chaotic and can get crazy at times. But just stay faithful, pray, and I wish you all the best, guys. Thank you for viewing my videos. Thank you for your subscriptions and your notifications by clicking the notification bell. I always stress that. And leave your comments and concerns and questions, whatever it may be. Leave it down below for me, and I'll do my best to answer them, okay? Until the next video, guys. See you soon.